morning, guys. Today is April 7th, and this is Rick Prosser from StockChartSense.com, and I want to look at Visa again today. I can't remember if I said in my last video we weren't going to follow up with this one again, but I just found it quite interesting on Thursday, so I wanted to follow up with it one more time, and then maybe I'll leave it alone this time, but I think it's important. Alright, here's the bottom line. Guys, we have this volatility squeeze right here. That's exactly what this is, a nice little volatility squeeze happening. And what I like about it too, it's a volatility squeeze that's been happening for a while here. I mean, several days. I mean, at least 3 or 4 weeks here. I mean, we got let's say right around March here to April now. So I mean, you're looking close to 3 or 4 weeks here. But anyhow, here's the point. Thursday was pretty much just a blah day in the market. I mean, it really is a flat day. Nothing really happened, which was pretty much expected with a holiday coming up, a 3-day weekend, and the jobs report on Friday, which we'll talk about in just a second. But here's the thing. This stock is starting to push above this volatility squeeze here, and it's not on terrible volume. Look at that volume. I mean, the volume up days are definitely much higher than the down days. So that tells you this stock is under accumulation, not distribution. What's distribution? Look at these babies here. Now, actually, the stock was still going up, so it wasn't even quite distribution. But this was definitely some more selling pressure than buying pressure. But nevertheless, the buying pressure that did come in was able to keep the stock up. So that tells you something. So here's what it's telling me. It's telling me I think this stock goes higher. It just sure seems like it wants to go higher. And then if you go and you look at the weekly chart here, what you see here, I mean, you have there's that consolidation that you see on the daily chart. Well, look what's happening now. It's starting to break through that, and it broke through a logical key area, which is 120. It broke through the 120 area. So again, I can see this stock going up. Again, high volume here on the days that it's been going up. Now this here has been kind of real low volume, but that's okay. This is a weekly chart, because when it's consolidating, you like to see low volume, because that means people aren't distributing the stock. It's not under distribution. They're actually accumulating the stock. So I like to see just low volume. It means people aren't selling out of this baby. And you like to see the high volume on the days up. And again, this is a weekly chart, so this is actually even more powerful. So the bottom line is here, I think the stock goes higher, and I don't think it's too late to get into it. I think you can still safely get into this thing. Now make sure you have some risk management and control, in case this stock decides that it's not going to go up, but it's going to start going down on us. You don't want to be involved in this thing if it starts, especially breaking this 50-day moving average. So you want to make sure you have some money management there. Now, the thing you got to remember is jobs report wasn't that great on Friday, so I'm not sure how the market's going to take that on Monday. You can come in the morning and see a bit of a sell-off. I don't know if people are going to come in and buy this sell-off, or it's going to sell off throughout the day. We're going to know, guess what? Come Monday. We'll all know exactly what's going to happen. But just keep that in mind. Don't be just piling in and everything come Monday, because I don't know how this jobs report is going to have an impact on the market. Hey, if you like what you hear, stop over at StockChartSense.com. One day I'm going to learn how to speak English, I promise. Stop over at StockChartSense.com and sign up for the free video, and I'll send you a personalized email every time I post one of these bad boys. Good talking to you. Take care.